back to another video of Dudes with Toys. In today's video, what are we gonna do? First of all, you might know that Sachin is not here, our famous Sachin, because I'll tell you that later. After after 4 videos of fun, exams, excitement, vacation, everything, we're back to doing our basics. This is what we love to do, obviously, so we're back. And what are we gonna do today? Hey! Oh, what is this? It's called the Slime Blaster. Slime Blaster? It blasts out slime. Interesting. It's manufactured by the Simply Kids, a Simba company. This toy contains 12 slime blasters, like slime this thing. You can only see, oh, it's like 1, 2, 3 in the behind, and there's totally, no, there's 4. Yeah, there's 4, 8, 12, so that's totally 12, and there's 4 liters of slime, 0.9 gallons of slime. You know where the 4 liters are gonna go? I'll show you if you don't know. And it can shoot up to 7 meters or 23 feet. 7 meters is a lot, man. I mean, even if you know, like, small guns can't, but slime can shoot up to 23 feet is a very big thing, very cool thing, to be honest, and it's gonna look really cool. Maybe we can take it in slow motion when the slime shoots. We'll do that. And it also has a pump action. What do you mean by pump action? Maybe you have to, there's no trigger here, so obviously you have to pump this. If you can see here, I think you have to pump this out. I don't know. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see how it turns out to be. And coming to the side of the box, there's not much detail here. Only it says the name of the toy, Simply Slime Blaster, and the Simply Kids, the manufacturer of the toy. Coming to the back, they've given how to use this toy. I mean, they've shown how to use this toy. So let's see the first step. Unscrew the slime tank from the slime blaster gun. So first step is we have to remove this from the whole part. And the second thing is fill the slime tank with water. Okay, the second thing to do is we have to pour water into this. I don't know how much, so we'll see. Empty 1 sachet into the slime tank. Okay, only 1. Out of 12, we have to only insert 1 into the tank. And coming to the 4th step, screw the cap on the slime tank, mix the slime up and leave for 5 minutes. Okay, so they've told, close the tank, mix it up, leave it up for 5 minutes. And what happens then? Remove the cap and screw the slime tank back on the blaster. Okay, after 5 minutes, we just have to fix it back, and I think we're ready to go. The Simply Kids are on YouTube. The manufacturers of this toy are on YouTube. So we follow them because they upload a lot of cool and exciting stuff. So make sure even you subscribe to them. But before that, subscribe to our channel as well, man. Please, come on. Because we also do cool and exciting stuff. So please subscribe if you haven't already. And moving on, if you can see, Sachin is not here because we're going to pull a prank on him. Yes, this is our first prank in our channel, I guess. So it's gonna be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to this. I've told him that the shoot is 1 hour later, and he's not here yet. I've come before and I've started reviewing this toy, so we can pull a prank on him. And I'm really excited, man. I'm told he might be on his way. He'll take another 15 to 20 minutes. Before that, we'll unbox this toy and we'll review it completely. And let's go. I'm really excited. Okay guys, just before unboxing the toy, I thought of something very important. We just rate the toys, but we're gonna rate the packaging as well from this video. I would give this packaging a solid 7 because I think they could have covered the toy as well, because if some, it comes across some circumstances, the toy might get damaged or dirty, so they could have prevented that by covering the toy. So I think except that, the packaging is really well done, so I'll give it a solid 7. Let's start unboxing. First here, and my signature dialogue as usual: always be careful with your cutters. always start these bullets in a manner which is very hard, and you have to pluck it out, dude. It's very hard to get these bullets out. No other option. Oh, nice. What is this for? Oh, I think the cap for this. Yeah. Nice feature. There's tape here. First, let's keep this down. This down as well. Let's remove this. It doesn't feel like slime to me. It's like some powder. See? Some powder thing. So let's remove all the 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Alright guys, let's start making some slime. I was wrong. I mean, this is not where you open it. This is where you open it, and the pump action is simple. I'm really excited for Sachin. Sachin's face is there. Like full slime on his face. I'm really excited to see that. Okay, you open this first. You put some water. Yeah, you first put some water. So we have 3 glasses of water. I told him to bring 1 for 3. So carefully put it inside. Make sure. Okay. Yes. Third step. Okay guys, the water is in, the slime powder is in. Now is the time to shake. Shake, 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 shake. It's like I'm ringing a bell. You know that puja. I'll mix it well. Sachin's face should be slimed completely. I think that's enough mixing. So let's wait for 5 minutes and see what happens. See you guys after 5 minutes. Alright guys, the slime is officially completed. Like it's fully slime now. No, like it's not like water and the slime powder. It's completely slime. It's all mixed together. But I forgot one thing is the caution here. So let's read it out. I hope that it's not saying that. Do not amortize your face. Okay. But still I get to slime him. I'll slime him on his dress. Then there's nothing gonna happen to the dress, right? I'll slime him on the dress. I'm okay with that. So let's go I'm really excited, but slight disappointment that I can't slime him on the face. But still. Okay. Let's go. Should I do a trial on your camera? Peace, you guys.
Sorry guys, I'm late. Jagat told me to come at this part of the studio. Where is Jagat? Jagat! He told me to come over here and he's not there. Jagat! Where are you? Let's search for him. Let's go upstairs and find him.
Guys, you know who the prank master is? Who is it? Who is it? It's me! Come on! Look at this dude. Come on! Yes! Ah, no! No!
Take it. Take it. Yes!
Wait a minute.
Yes!
It was planned for him, man. It was planned
Who's
for
the
him.
prank master? It's
And
me.
it's on my...
Yes!
huge. I'm looking worse than him. Just planned for him.
I took a revenge on him, guys.
Not again, not again, not again. Wait. See, it was planned for him. It backfired. See, this is why I should never.
No.
New clothes too. And guys, I have to take a bath for sure.
You too, guys.
My
Yeah.
slides. Yo, what have you done, man? Looks like mucus, dude. You. God, stop. Enough. What is this, man? So, guys, now that we're lodged in slime, we thought of checking the range of this gun up to what, what distance it goes.
How
So,
many?
Sachin. Wait, you sure it's 7 meters?
Are you sure it's 7 meters?
Wait. Go further. Yeah. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Meters. Wow, not on my face. Enough. Slippery.
We can play slip and
Spider-Man.
slide challenge.
I'm not able to get down. Yeah, I'm good. Alright guys, you just saw Sachin shoot up from there, 7 meters. I'm completely satisfied with the range of the gun.
Jagat, you unboxed without me. No, I really hate you, bro.
It's okay, man. Happens. You can also review toys without me, but don't do it. I'm just joking around. Slippery, dude. And coming to the review of the gun, I would give it a 9 out of 10 because first of all, I loved the gun very much. All the design, all the working of the gun, everything. I absolutely loved it. And of course, the slime as well. But I would love if there was a trigger over here because it would be more realistic and more fun to shoot and play around. So I would give it a 9 out of 10. And the quality of the slime, man, obviously, dude, yucky all over my body. It's inside as well, dude. It feels so yucky, man. Sachin, what do you think about this gun?
It's good, but if the trigger was there, also it was good.
That's
I
okay.
love the pump also.
But
Same.
still, I would love the trigger.
Yeah.
And the quality of the slime,
Slime.
dude, it's so yucky.
Yuck.
It went inside my body and stuff. It's so, gummy. Like that. When you put glue inside your skin, how does it feel? It feels that kind of way, and it's.
But it's not a normal slime.
Yeah, it's
like-
kind of different, and it's also slippery. And guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to smash down a huge like.
And also don't forget to subscribe to
Dudes with Toys. I am Jagat.
And I'm Sachin.
Until next time, take care. Bye bye. On your line. Sorry.